Okay, 2012 AMC. This is problem 21 from the AMC10A. And it says let points A at 0, 0, 0, B at 1, 0, 0, C at 0, 2, 0, and D at 0, 0, 3, B points, okay. Points E, F, G, and H are the midpoints of line segments BD, AB, AC, and DC, respectively. What is the area of EFGH? So first off, let's find the locations of EFGH. And so we know that E is the midpoint of BD, so it's going to be the average of all of the values of B and D. So 1 plus 0 is 1, divided by 2 is a half. 0 plus 0 is 0, divided by 2 is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3, divided by 2 is 3 halves. Okay. F is the midpoint of AB, so that's the average of all of the coordinates of A and B. So 0 plus 1 is 1, divided by 2 is a half. 0 plus 0 is 0, divided by 2 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, divided by 2 is 0. And we'll go through. G is the midpoint of AC, so G is the midpoint of AC, so we get 0, 1, 0 by doing that same process. And H is the midpoint of DC, so we get 0, 1, 3 halves. Okay, now let's look at this, and in here we actually end up having a rectangle. It's hard to see, but we can see that these are both out at a half x while these are at 0x. These are both out at a y of 1 while those are both at y of 0. And these are both at z of 3 halves while the other two are at 0. And so let's figure out, okay. So we have this rectangle. I'm just going to draw a rectangle. We'll find out the lengths and then find the area from there. So in this one, the side length here in the z-axis is from 0 to 3 halves, and so that's going to be 3 halves. Now the other part, we need to use a Pythagorean theorem to find the other side length, because as these change from 1 half to 0, these change from 0 to 1. So from there we should get 1 half squared plus 1 squared is equal to this width squared. And that means the width will equal the square root of 1/4 plus 1, which is 5/4, which is equal to root 5 divided by 2. And the final step is then to find the area of this, which is length times width. So that should be root 5 over 2 multiplied, so the area is equal to, multiplied by 3 halves, which equals 3 root 5 over 4, which is C.